Hey, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Alter Tech, back again with a new video, and today we have the OnePlus 7 Pro. I want to teach you guys how I've been able to keep my OnePlus 7 Pro safe from scratches and cracks. Number one, the first thing you got to do is get a tempered glass screen protector. Now I did use the plastic screen protector on this initially, but eventually there were some bubbles forming on the sides and in the middle, so I couldn't get them out, so I thought it was time for me to replace it. It was developing a lot of scratches. Opted in for a tempered glass screen protector. Now this one cost about 10 bucks on eBay. It comes with a cheap UV light, some loca glue, and tempered glass screen protector. So overall, it's been a nice installation aside from a few small bubbles over here, but it's nothing compared to what I had to deal with the stock plastic screen protector. Now another thing I want to talk about is the smoothness of this tempered glass screen protector. It feels very premium, pretty much similar to Whitestone Dome, and on top of that, with the screen protector, it has reduced friction, so when it comes to typing, overall it makes the phone feel a lot more premium. Now for the back, how was I able to prevent scratches and cracks on the back? Well, for my daily use, I was actually using the stock case. Most of the drops came with this Rinky case, so over time this actually developed some scratches I couldn't really get rid of, and it does have some minor discoloration, but it is what it is. But overall, this case did do a great job of preventing scratches on my OnePlus 7 Pro. Now for this one, this is the Rinky Fusion X case. This is the camo edition. Now this is the case I had on my OnePlus 7 Pro for all those heavy drops. As you guys can see, it does have some scratches over here. It did take some beating. Now let me just go ahead and snap this on real quick. It snaps on pretty easy. You do have some drop protection over here, and it is very stylish. And you do have that OnePlus logo right over here. Overall, it's a very nice case. Everything is pretty much cut out nicely. And when it comes to drops, this phone has saved my butt countless times. Okay, before you guys get excited, I'm not trying to say that this case is going to protect your phone from every single drop. Just for me, for those maybe, two dozen drops I've taken over the past, this case was on and it actually protected my phone. It did a really damn good job. Now for me, maybe you might drop this phone with this case and it might actually crack your display on the first time. It really depends on luck, on how you dropped your phone, on the angle and the point of impact. So there's so many variables that could impact whether or not your phone gets a crack from a drop. But overall, for the couple months I've been using this case, this has been holding up pretty damn good. But anyways, people, this is my tips, and I do recommend a tempered glass because this is a curved display. I don't want you guys to crack this beautiful display. You can get insurance, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Get a nice case and get a tempered glass screen protector. Anyways, people, if you have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below. This is Alter Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace. And please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more OnePlus coverage. Take care. Peace.